Pose.
Okay, wait, no, I'm not ready. Okay.
Pose.
I don't know any more poses. Wait.
Right. Pose. Pose. That's for Chris right there.
Ready?
Scandal!
Wait, I can make myself really skinny. Look.
Weird.
I'm playing the piano.
No one cares.
I'm too short for it to be a model.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, I'll give you a word and you have to think of a pose. Silly.
look what I can do.
That's silly.
Oh, well. Wait, look what I can do. Ready? Okay, ready?
Okay,
Wait, Megan! Ready?
that's silly.
Wait!
Okay, come on. Do
Silly?
silly. Okay, flirty. Chris is here in the room and he like you. Nick Jonas is in the room and he really like you. Okay. I know. Thomas is in the room and he's getting closer.
Hey! Do anime. Something anime-ish.
Okay. Karahi is in the room.
Haruhi?
Whatever.
Hearts!
Alex is in the room jumping like an anime character.
Right!
Megan's in the room ignoring you.
Talk to the hand.
Megan's in the room ignoring you.
Talk to the hand.
Liz is in the room ignoring Megan.
What?
Gotcha. You lose. Wah,
Hey,
wah,
yeah.
wah. Are we done yet?
No.
They can't see.